Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen here. Today I am hiking in Idaho. I am in Boise, Idaho. It is a hot summer's day and I am hiking here for the first time. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So right now I am hiking at Red Cliffs Nature Center, which is part of the I think it's called Camel's Back Reserve, and I just thought I'd come out here and hike. It's not too terribly hot. I think we're just now hitting 80 degrees, but I am having to adjust to the elevation, I think, or the air. It just hits different. Like, I feel like I am definitely running out of breath faster. I think I just need to adjust. And I just got off the plane a couple hours ago, so there's that. But just wanted to stretch my legs and check out a couple trails here. Thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and like this video. Share it with your friends and your family. I am getting through this hike, and check out these views. It is very dry right here, very, very dry, as expected because it's summer, but it's very dry. I'm so used to hiking in areas where there's trees everywhere, so this is definitely a little different. It's more of the desert type, which I don't get to hike often, so it's pretty cool to see a different type of landscape. So I am just about done with this trail. This is a nice little hike. It's about 3 miles total, so it's a good workout. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my hiking adventures. And I will see y'all on the next hike.